Hey guys, welcome to another video of this channel, and I'm 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬, your host. So in this video we're gonna talk about Google Doc, the alternative of Google Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is a basic thing to write anything on your PC, on your laptop, on online actually, on your desktop. So we're gonna talk about the alternative of this software, the Microsoft Word. So the best alternative of this software is Google Doc, which is online based, but you can use also it on offline if you use this application or software. Okay, so basically this is very easy to learn, and it's very simple interface on there. So let's have a jump on the main video, and let's see how it's work and how it's gonna be helpful on your life. So let's gonna jump on the right video.